యూకే ప్రధానిగా కీర్ స్టార్మర్ ఎన్నికల్లో లేబర్ పార్టీ ఘన విజయం. మొత్తం 650 స్థానాల్లో 412. కన్జర్వేటివ్ల ఘోర ఓటమి. 121 సీట్లకు పరిమితం. సునాక్ రాజీనామా. ఓటమికి నాదే బాధ్యత, క్షమించాలంటూ ప్రకటన. కింగ్ చార్లెస్ను కలిసిన స్టార్మర్ ప్రధానిగా నియామకం. 14 ఏళ్ల కన్జర్వేటివ్ పార్టీ పాలనకు తేర. దెబ్బకొట్టిన అసమ్మతి, అస్థిరత, ప్రభుత్వ వ్యతిరేకత. రిచ్మండ్ ఆల్టన్ నుంచి సునాక్ మళ్లీ గెలుపు. తెలుగువారు ఉదయ్ నాగరాజు, చంద్ర కన్నెగంటిల ఓటమి. స్టార్మర్ ఈజ్ న్యూ బ్రిటిష్ PM as Labour Party wins polls. It secures 412 seats as Conservative Party down to 121 seats in the 650 seats House of Commons. PM Rishi Sunak retains Richmond seat. For Right Party reform, UK wins 14% vote shares. The UK's Labour Party, led by Keir Starmer, won the July 4th general elections by a landslide, securing 412 plus 211 seats with Prime Minister Rishi Sunak Conservative Party down to 121 to 450 minus seats in the 650 seat House of Commons. Nevertheless, the vote share told a story for a more modest victory for Labour, while confirming the Conservative defeat, with Labour getting 35% and Conservatives 24%. Labour had consistently polled 20 points ahead of the Conservatives in opinion polls. In many ways, this looks more like an election the Conservatives have lost than one Labour has won. Political scientist and psychologist John Curtis wrote on the BBC website, "The Liberal Democrats gained 63 seats, taking their tally to 71 seats. The Eurosceptic anti-immigrant reform UK party won 5 seats, but a vote share of 14%, eating into the Conservative vote." Following Labour's victory, King Charles III, the country's monarch, appointed Mr. Starmer the UK's Prime Minister, the country's 58th, standing outside London's iconic Tate Modern in the early hours of Friday morning. The 61-year-old Mr. Starmer spoke of change, Labour's central theme, reflecting a changed Labour Party and a change of 14 years of Tory government, and now we can look forward, walk into the morning, the sunlight of hope, pale at first but getting stronger through the day, the shifting once again on a country with the opportunity after 14 years to get its future back. He said, "Our work is urgent and we begin it today," Mr. Starmer said in Yorkshire. The outgoing Prime Minister, Mr. Sunak, who managed to retain his Richmond seat, considered and took responsibility for the results.